Hello everyone. Today we are learn how to generate a random password with the help of Python. So in this program, we want to a user enter the length of password, and any random password has been generated in this program. So in this program we require some module. First module name is random module. Random module random module generate any random numbers or a random value from a list or a string. It is an inbuilt module in Python. Second module name is string. It is in inbuilt Python library string. So firstly we make a variable name is length, which takes the input from the user. Length is equal to input, enter the length of the password which is entered by the user, and now print the random password, generated random password. So random password value has been generated by the random dash pass function. So now we define this function def using def keyword random dash pass. In this we give the parameter which is length. So firstly we make a variable which name is character. In character we store the values. Firstly we want in our password included numbers. ASCII letters means uppercase, lowercase, all letters, all alphabets, and digits or punctuation. So with the help of string function we store all these values in the character variable. String.ascii letters give uppercase, lowercase, all alphabet, and string dot number. I think number is not. We are using number instead of number. We are using digit. And third is string dot punctuation. So in punctuation we included dot all symbols. So in second variable password dot join function takes all the iterable value from a list and join into a string, convert into a string. So firstly we make a list of random character with the help of random dot choice function. Choice function choose any one character, any one value from the character variable which included ASCII letter, digit, or punctuation, anything. With the help of for loop we set the range according to the user recommend the length of the password. So our for loop is repeating, and with the help of random variable we choose the random value from the character, and the join function join all the list into a string, and this string is stored in the our password variable, which is written from the when we function call the from the main function. So run this code. Error has been okay. One thing, our length variable is integer. Data type of length variable is integer, so we enter a string or give the parameter as a string, which is not right. So firstly, as a integer, our data type is integer. Now we run this code. The length of the password is 5, and you can see that our random password has been generating. So thank you.